When it comes to roof replacement for your home in Warren, Michigan, one of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right professionals to handle the job. While it might be tempting to tackle a roof replacement as a DIY project or hire an unlicensed contractor to save some money, opting for professional roofers ensures the job is done correctly, safely, and efficiently. In this article, we'll explore the reasons why roof replacement in Warren should always be done by professionals, highlighting the benefits of expert installation, long-term savings, safety, and peace of mind. Expertise and quality workmanship. One of the primary reasons to hire a professional roofing company for your roof replacement in Warren is their expertise and experience. Roofing is a complex and technical task that requires specialized knowledge in order to achieve the best results. Professionals bring years of training and hands-on experience to the job, ensuring that your roof replacement is done correctly and to the highest standard. Knowledge of materials. Professional roofing contractors are well versed in the different types of roofing materials available and can help you choose the best one for your home. Whether you're interested in asphalt shingles, metal roofing, or tile roofing, a professional will ensure that the right material is selected based on your needs, budget, and the local climate in Warren. Proper installation. Professional roofers follow industry best practices and manufacturer guidelines for installing roofing materials. This ensures that your new roof is installed correctly, providing maximum protection, durability, and longevity. Hiring professionals guarantees you get high-quality workmanship that will stand the test of time and protect your home for many years. Safety and risk mitigation. Roof replacement is a dangerous task, especially for homeowners who lack the proper training, tools, and safety measures. Professional roofers are trained in safe roofing practices and have access to the necessary tools and equipment to perform the job safely. This is essential for both the protection of the crew and the safety of your home. Ladders and safety gear. Roofers are equipped with ladders, harnesses, and other safety gear to work at height without risking injury. They are trained in fall protection and know how to handle the risks involved in working on a roof. Minimizing risk. Roofing involves handling heavy materials, working with sharp objects, and dealing with unpredictable weather conditions. A professional roofing company understands how to mitigate these risks, reducing the chances of accidents, injuries, or damage to your home. By hiring a professional, you can rest easy knowing that safety is a priority and that the work will be carried out with the proper precautions. Time and efficiency. Roof replacement is a time-consuming job that requires careful planning, coordination, and execution. A professional roofing company has the manpower, experience, and tools to complete the job more efficiently than an inexperienced DIY. Quick turnaround. Professional roofers typically complete roof replacements in a fraction of the time it would take an untrained individual. They work with teams of skilled workers who can divide tasks, ensuring that the project progresses quickly and efficiently. This is particularly important when the weather is unpredictable or when you're working under time constraints. Minimize disruptions. A professional roofing company knows how to handle the logistics of roof replacement, ensuring that there is minimal disruption to your daily life. They will manage the entire project, from tearing off the old roof to installing the new one, all while keeping the worksite clean and organized. With a professional team handling the roof replacement, you'll enjoy a faster, more streamlined process that doesn't interfere with your day-to-day routine. Cost effectiveness and long-term savings. Many homeowners mistakenly believe that doing a roof replacement themselves will save them money. However, in the long run, hiring professionals often proves to be the more cost-effective option. Here's why. Avoid costly mistakes. Roof replacement requires precise measurements, proper installation techniques, and the right tools. If you attempt to replace the roof yourself and make mistakes, it could lead to costly repairs down the road. Professional roofers are trained to get the job done right the first time, preventing expensive errors that could have been avoided. Access to discounts. Professional roofing companies often have established relationships with suppliers, meaning they can access discounted materials and pass those savings on to you. Additionally, professional roofers can help you select the best materials for your budget while ensuring you don't overpay for unnecessary upgrades. Long-term durability. When a roof is installed correctly, it lasts longer and performs better. Poorly installed roofs can develop issues like leaks, poor insulation, and compromised structural integrity, leading to higher maintenance costs and early replacements. A professional installation ensures your new roof provides lasting protection and value. Warranty and peace of mind. One of the most significant advantages of hiring a professional roofing company is the warranty that comes with the work. Most reputable roofing companies offer warranties on both labor and materials, providing homeowners with peace of mind knowing that the roof is protected for years to come. Labor and material warranties. A warranty means that if anything goes wrong with the roof, whether it's a defect in the materials or an installation issue, the roofing company will address it at no additional cost to you. This gives you peace of mind knowing that you're covered if something unexpected happens. Reliable support. If you encounter issues with your roof in the future, you have access to professional support from the company that installed it. They'll handle any repairs or adjustments as needed, ensuring your roof continues to perform optimally. Conclusion. Roof replacement in Warren is a significant investment in the protection and longevity of your home. Choosing a professional roofing company ensures the job is done correctly, safely, and efficiently. By opting for professional roof installation, you benefit from expert craftsmanship, cost-effectiveness, improved safety, and long-term peace of mind. Whether you're upgrading your roof due to wear and tear, damage, or simply wanting a fresh look, hiring professionals is the smart choice for ensuring your roof lasts for years to come and provides the protection your home needs.